Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, you'll learn how to choose and activate the single sign-on options for organization members in NordPass. Let's get started. Turning on SSO allows organization members to log in to NordPass using their single sign-on credentials instead of the NordPass business account password. To make it easier for your organization's members, we suggest activating only the SSO option and deactivating other methods. This way, members won't need to create a business account. To set this up, open the NordPass admin panel and click on Settings to access the configuration options. Then go to the SSO and Authentication section. If the organization uses identity authentication services such as Microsoft Entra ID, Google Workspace, Microsoft ADFS, or Okta, you can turn them on at any moment. Let's see how to enforce Microsoft Entra ID from an owner or admin perspective. To do so, simply click on the toggle button. The process for launching Google Workspace is identical. To enforce Okta or Microsoft ADFS, you need to follow the configuration process described in our Help Center article. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward as well. For instance, let's now enforce Microsoft ADFS. Enter the company's domain name, then copy the generated DNS.txt entry and add it to your domain's DNS.txt configuration. Once added, return to the ADFS setup and verify it. Please note that it can take up to 72 hours to verify the domain. Next, enter the credentials and test the connection. Once the connection is established, you can turn on the SSO method. That's it. Next time members want to log into NordPass, they will have the option to use their ADFS account. Great, now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.